bravest of ponies, you'll hear when he cries.
There's one horse for us, and that horse says bullseye.
Jessie wrestles like a little nonetheless. He's faster than lightning, he beats every rest.
He rides like a randy but that gallop and play.
He's Jessie's first pal when they're saving the day. Bullseye! You're faster than a tornado!
Alright, give me a bullseye.
He's Monday's true partner, he's Jessie's best friend.
It's tough, they can always depend
On the bravest of ponies, you hear Jessie cry. There's one horse for us, and that horse is Bullseye.
Come on, Bullseye, I'm ready for the prairie.
Ride, bullseye, ride.
Now don't dismount your critter and move about to the carousel comes to a complete stop.
He's the bravest of ponies, you hear when he cry.
There's one horse for us,
And that horse is Bullseye.
All right. Now it's safe for you to step down and exit. Once you're stepped, you remember to grab all your saddlebags. Then follow the arrows to the nearest exit gate. So long, partners.
Why on the time it's cutting?